Okay guys, so this is the video you wanted to create. I'm using the emulator. I'm gonna configure the processor. I'm gonna leave everything in default. So here we got the controller. Let me see if we need to change anything. Looks good. Version 21 is the one I'm using right now. So we can leave it like this. Let's create a new project on Studio. Finally got the download for version 21, and actually I got version 23 also, so it's not much different. It might have some things that I don't know, but I'm pretty familiar with it right now. I'm gonna configure an emulator for our purposes. Revision 21, that's the one you needed. 10 slot chassis, that's okay. Slot number 2, the same as our emulator, if I'm not, yeah. Let's say this is DJC. Today is October 23rd, 2014. Okay. So already got configured the emulator in the IO configuration. So we're gonna do maybe a simple thing. Let's get lights. Light 1. Can leave it like this. Start lights. Star light. Push button. Maybe. Light. Number 1. Can leave it as Boolean. It's okay. Just gonna do this to test it out. Let's check the configuration. Right here we have the emulator. So we're gonna go ahead and download it. Download. let's go online. For it to run. Let's toggle it, see if it's working. It's taking a little bit. Alright. So apparently everything's okay. Let's go to factory talk view. Have it open right here. Let's create a new application. Sorry about that. Say DJC. DJC. It's okay. DJC. Just trying to go as fast as I can, but because apparently the video recorder only records up to 15 minutes, so I'm trying to go fast paced. Okay, alright, first thing we should check is we're supposed to work on a panel view 1000, so panel view 1000 plus, so we're good here. Next thing you want to work out is the communications. Create a new configuration. DJC. Put the emulator. We got version 21. The controller on the emulator is it's on slot number 2. Let me see. Sorry, get back. Oh well, apparently it's already been used. Oh man, right here. It's already set up. Right. We just hit apply. Okay. Let's see. Then we can create a graphic. Maybe maintain. Push button. Here. Start. Let's put it caption black. Let's do this one red. Stop. Caption color. Alright. I'm gonna set the connection. got here start lights. We can map it to starlights. Right. Hit apply. Let's test it out. See if I can put this in a way that I can see it. Alright. There you go. If you want to start it again, you can see it. I don't know if this is enough, but let me see, let me try if I can get the 4 lights blinking. So that's basically what you wanted. Let's yeah, let's go and add a rung here, or maybe yeah, let's do a timer. Come on. Timer 1. Let's put 4,000 if it lets me. It's created. Yeah, blinking timer. Alright. Now we can timer 1. So we're done here, so we can reset. Let's verify. Let's rater, compare. Okay. So 1,000 timer, so cumulative. We can copy the wrong and paste a couple more. This can be named light 2. Light number 2.